For the third tip of Christmas, I'm going to give to you 3-day minimums. Super excited today to give you the third tip of Christmas about Airbnb. And the reason I love this tip is because I learned it the hard way. So 3-day minimums, especially on the weekends. So before I was doing a 3-day minimum, what would happen is someone would book for one night on a Friday or Saturday. That would do two different things. One, it would make me really worried that they were gonna have a party. And number two is that it would hold someone back who was going on a vacation or a trip from booking that entire weekend. So what I would have is maybe one Saturday booked and then one Friday booked, but then I wouldn't have Sunday booked. So now when I do a 3-day minimum, I see either Thursday through Sunday get booked or Friday through Monday get booked. And that has made life a lot easier on our team. It has reduced the amount of parties that we've had, and it has also put more money in our pocket. This was the third tip of Christmas. We got more to come, but if you missed the other ones, they were 2 sets of towels and a free master class.